Now I want to do how to use for our another model 6x21 forest. Now it comes with the OLED screen. Yeah, you can read the data at night. Yeah. The model is a little bit quite different compared with the Paragon rangefinders. The main difference is the main switch is on the top, but the model switch is on the side. Okay, it's still the palm size, very compact, even smaller than the Paragon 6x25. Okay, anyway, let's do it. First, you have the rangefinders. Okay, open it. Just press the buttons. Okay, just press the top button to open it. And then, according to the diagram and the image, you adjust it. Caution: the rangefinder, both rangefinder will automatically shut down after 10 seconds. Okay, press on. Okay. Then you press the side button more than 3 seconds. It will enter the pin lock function. It has two models. One is auto and the other is the flag. You will see a sign at 8 o'clock. Then use the top button to select what or which model you prefer to have. Okay, if you want to do the golf, then you choose the flag. That's the pin lock functions. Okay, let's do the next model. Now you enter into the second model to choose. You have the angle, vertical, and horizontals. The angle is the data between you and the target. Vertical distance is you and the height between you and the target. It's not elevation. It's your standing ground to the target. Okay, to the target is the vertical. The horizontal, that means the true distance between you and your target. The horizontal. Okay, horizontal. The distance between you and the target, we call it sight distance. Let's choose the angle. And then enter next mode. You press again. Now it's a quite simple choose. It's just meters or yards. Let's choose yards. And then we press the side button again to go into the brightness of the OLED screen. You have 5 to choose. 1 is the weakest and 5 is the brightest. Then you press the side button again. Now the screen just shows all the settings you select. Okay, the settings you select with the pin lock sign and the angle signs. Now rangefinder, it has a scan models. Just hold the top button without release, and then slowly scan a different target or object, you will see the data changes according to the different target. Yeah. That's the general how to use. I hope you can understand. If you have any question, you can still email us and ask. Thank you.